Experiment name differential phase shift keying modulation and demodulation. This is the experimental trainer board, DPSK modulation and demodulation. Here at the modulation block, if you observe here, modulation block, you have to give three inputs: data input, clock input and carrier input. Okay. First apply clock input to the clock of the circuit. Clock wire to clock and carrier signal to carrier input. Next, this is modulation block. Given data to input of the XOR gate. Okay, data input I have connected to here. This is the connections for modulation block. Let's first observe the inputs from here. Observe. Take. First observe the clock signal, frequency channel 1, amplitude of the signal and frequency of the signal. Note down it. And next carrier signal. Note down carrier signal. Next data input signal. 1010 data I have given here. Good. As three signals is connected to the modulation block and take DPSK output from here. We will get this output. The output. We will compare the signal. This is the message, clock signal and carrier signal, DPSK output and demodulation output. This signal will change according to our data signal. When data signal positive to here, negative to positive, we will get here 180 degrees phase shift here. Whenever data is changed positive to negative, we will get phase shift change here. Okay, 180 degree phase shift we will get whenever data is 120, 0 to 1. When data is 0 to 1, we will get the positive, and data is getting 1 to 0, we will get negative side of the sine signal. At that time signal is phase shifting every time. It's the remodulation, the output of the DPSK. Next, observe demodulation. Apply DPSK output to input of the DPSK and apply same carrier signal. Already we have applied the signal, same signal again I have taken connected to here, and clock signal I have connected here. Next, take output at this point. Whatever input data we have given, same data we will get the output side, demodulation side. This is the DPSK output we have observed from here, and compare this output with the data. Whenever data is 0 to 1, 1 to 0, phase shift we will get at the sine signal. Okay, demodulation output. This is the connections of the DPSK modulation and demodulation experiment.